Tired of hair troubles? Moringa to the rescue! Are you struggling with hair loss or breakage? Do you find yourself constantly battling with split ends and dull, lifeless hair? Do you long for thick, healthy hair that shines with vitality? Imagine running your fingers through soft, silky strands that radiate health and beauty. There is a natural solution that can help. Introducing Moringa, a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform your hair care routine. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, holds the key to transforming your hair from lifeless to luscious. This incredible plant is packed with essential nutrients. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, Moringa nourishes your scalp and strengthens your hair from root to tip. It helps to repair damage and promote growth. Say goodbye to bad hair days and embrace the power of Moringa. Experience the joy of having hair that looks and feels amazing every single day. This natural ingredient can help you achieve the healthy, vibrant hair you've always desired. It's time to give your hair the care it deserves. In the following sections, we'll explore the remarkable benefits of Moringa for hair and guide you through creating your own revitalizing hair mask. Stay tuned to discover how you can harness the power of Moringa for your hair. Moringa is a nutritional powerhouse, brimming with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work wonders for your hair. This superfood has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its numerous health benefits. It is an excellent source of vitamin A, essential for scalp health and sebum production, which keeps your hair naturally moisturized. Vitamin A also helps in repairing hair tissues, ensuring your hair remains strong and resilient. Moringa is also rich in vitamin E, which improves scalp circulation and promotes hair growth. Enhanced blood flow to the scalp ensures that hair follicles receive the nutrients they need to thrive. Additionally, it contains zinc, known to reduce hair shedding and maintain the health of hair follicles. Zinc plays a crucial role in DNA and RNA production, which is essential for normal hair growth. And iron, crucial for carrying oxygen to hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. Iron deficiency can lead to hair loss, so ensuring adequate iron intake is vital for maintaining luscious locks. Embrace the power of Moringa and witness its incredible benefits for your hair. Incorporate Moringa into your hair care routine and see the transformation for yourself. Creating your own Moringa hair mask is simple and requires just a few natural ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 2 tablespoons of Moringa powder, packed with nutrients for hair growth and strength. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, which moisturizes the scalp and adds shine to hair, and 1 tablespoon of honey to condition and soften hair, leaving it manageable. These easily accessible ingredients, when combined, create a potent hair mask that will revitalize your hair and leave it looking and feeling its best. Creating your own Moringa hair mask is a breeze. Not only is it simple, but it's also incredibly beneficial for your hair. Simply follow these easy steps, and you'll have a nourishing hair mask ready in no time. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of Moringa powder, which is rich in vitamins and minerals that promote hair growth and strength. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, known for its deep conditioning properties and ability to reduce protein loss in hair. Then, add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps to lock in moisture, keeping your hair hydrated and shiny. Mix well until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste. This ensures that all the ingredients are evenly distributed. If the mixture is too thick, add a teaspoon of warm water at a time until you reach the desired consistency. This will make it easier to apply. Apply the mask to your hair, starting from the roots and working your way down to the tips. Make sure every strand is coated. Massage gently into your scalp to stimulate blood circulation. This helps in better absorption of the nutrients. Leave the mask on for 30 minutes to allow the nutrients to penetrate your hair shafts. This waiting period is crucial for maximum benefit. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water, followed by your regular shampoo and conditioner. This will help remove any residue and leave your hair feeling fresh. For best results, use this mask 1 to 2 times a week. Consistent use will lead to healthier, shinier, and stronger hair.